In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix WhatsApp calls not working on iPhone. If WhatsApp calls are not working on your iPhone, it is usually caused by internet issues, permissions, or settings. So I want you to follow these steps I'm about to give you to sort this issue. So the first thing I want you to do here, I want you to check your internet connection. So I want you to check if your data is turned on. So how can you actually do this? So you can do this by go to your settings on your iPhone. So let's go to the settings on my iPhone. So once you open up your settings on your iPhone, I want you to tap on mobile service or mobile data. So let's tap on that. So once you tap on mobile data or mobile service, I want you to check where it says mobile data. I want you to make sure that this is turned on. Make sure the mobile data is turned on. So that is the first step. So if you do this and the WhatsApp calls is not working still, let me show you the second thing. The second thing you have to do. Just go back to your settings. So the next thing you can do is to allow WhatsApp microphone permission. So how can you actually allow the WhatsApp microphone permission? You can do this by going to your settings. As you can see, we are inside my settings. So I want you to scroll down and tap on apps. So let's tap on apps over here. So guys, once you tap on apps, I want you to scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. So let's scroll down, let's scroll down to, okay, we have WhatsApp here. So I want you to tap on WhatsApp. So once you tap on WhatsApp, if you look closely here, you're going to see where it says microphone. I want you to make sure that this microphone section is turned on. Make sure the microphone is turned on. Once it is turned on, it will show green. So that is the second thing you can do. So after doing this, go back to your WhatsApp, check if the WhatsApp call is working now or not. And if this is not working still, let me show you the third thing that you can do to fix the issue of WhatsApp calls not working. The third thing you can do is to allow or to enable background app refresh. So how can you do this? So let's go back to our settings on our iPhone. So once you go back to your settings, it's going to take you to this page. So this is the first settings homepage. So I want you to actually tap on general. So just tap on general. So on here, tap on general on here. So once you tap on general on here, what you want to do here, we want to allow or we want to enable the background app refresh. So once you tap on this, I want you to scroll down and tap on background app refresh. So once you tap on the background app refresh, just scroll down to where we have WhatsApp. So you can see we have WhatsApp here. Make sure the background app refresh for WhatsApp is turned on. Make sure the background app refresh for WhatsApp is turned on. So once this is turned on, so go back to your WhatsApp, check if the WhatsApp calls is now working or not. So the fourth thing you can do is to turn off low data mode. So how can you actually turn off the low data mode on your iPhone? So let's go back to our settings. So I want you to tap on mobile service or mobile data. So once you tap on mobile service or mobile data, I want you to tap on mobile data options. So just tap on mobile data options over here. So once you tap on the mobile data options, if you look closely, you're going to see where it says low data mode. Make sure this low data mode is turned off. So once this is turned off, so after doing this, now go back to your WhatsApp, try calling with your WhatsApp and see if it is now working or not. If this is not working still, let me show you the fifth thing that you can do to fix this issue. Just go back to your home page. So once you go back to your home screen, go to your App Store. So once you get to your App Store, I want you to try to update your WhatsApp. I want you to check if your WhatsApp is up to date or not. So let's check if my WhatsApp is up to date or not. You can see it says update. So it is telling me now to update my WhatsApp. So make sure you update your WhatsApp, or make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. So after doing this, check if your WhatsApp calls are now working or not. So let me now show you the last thing that you can do to fix this issue. The last thing you can do is just have to turn off your phone and turn it on back. That is, just want to restart your mobile device. Once you restart your iPhone, check check your WhatsApp calls if it is now working or not. So I'm very sure that after trying all these 6 steps that I've given you, the problem will be solved. So guys, this is how you can actually fix the issue of WhatsApp calls not working on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.